want to show you how tame my chickens are. I've been raising them since they were 2 days old. Now they are about a month to 2 months old. Come on, chickens.
Losing 3 are hopping on your back.
I know there's 6 here.
Lily, you can do it now if you want. If you want to go over by your sister.
Wait, Lily, not yet. We'll jump on the tree.
Oh my goodness.
And then I can walk around. They'll just sit. Lily, don't touch me. They'll just stay on my back.
Oh my goodness.
Wonderful.
Lily, you try. You go over there with sister.
Come on, Twinkie. Hey, there's a chicken butt. There's two chicken butts in my face. I did not like that. Come on.
Ow!
Don't want to get pooped on. Okay, don't poop on me. You're right on my neck. Owie,
See if they hop down now.
okay, get
Who
down.
wants down?
You want to go down? Get
See
down.
if they want to.
Go down. Go, Nancy. Nancy, get down. Go down. You really like my basket, don't you? I know you didn't mind that yesterday. Yeah, I'll see my back. Someone never told you. Ew. Ah. That hurt.
Okay, Lily's turn.